wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's the most wonderful time of the year, the Sephora Savings Event. Shout out to Sephora for sponsoring today's video. I know y'all want to see what I have in here and I want to tell y'all, so let's go. You know what I realized? There's always a theme with my hauls, like something I'm focusing more. Sometimes it's fragrance, sometimes it's makeup, and it's not intentional. It's just, you know, how I'm feeling at that time in life and what I need from Sephora. And I realized like there's a lot of body care and skincare in this one, so let's go ahead and get what little makeup I did get out of the way first. Okay, so first up I got this Glossier brow flick, and it's a brow pen. If you guys saw, I believe I posted a short on that where like I don't really use brow pencils anymore. I was actually using eyeliner to do my brows just because the felt tip and the consistency of eyeliner, I just liked it more. It gave more of like that hair stroke type of vibe on the brows. So when I saw that Glossier had the brow pen, I was like, let me go ahead and get that. So this is in black, straight up black. Love that for me. So I can't wait to use that on my brows. Next up, y'all know I love me some of the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom in their Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, but they have the shade Peach Pie. And I kind of want to see how this works on my under eye area just because of the shade. I know I like the formula because I have this in, it's like cinnamon something like that, or cinnabon. I have cherry blossom, and now I've got this shade. So I just want to play around, see if I prefer the pink shade on my under eye or the more peachy shade. So we're gonna see how this works. And that was it. When it comes to makeup, I wasn't playing when I said we focused in this haul. So moving on to skincare, this is the Sephora Vitamin C and E Super Glow Serum. I said this in a video not too long ago, but Sephora's skincare and makeup, but especially their skincare, is very much so slept on. It's affordable. Let's start there. But it's actually like really good on the skin. I've tried moisturizers, serums, and I think a cleanser as well. Don't quote me on that one. But vitamin C, y'all know I've been getting back on my face because I saw all it takes is one time for me to see something that I don't like, and I'm like, okay, I gotta really go in and fix that. So you'll see an emphasis on my skincare products in this haul. Affordable, does what it needs to do. This is a repurchase of this one, so definitely check this out. Okay, next up, this is from Farmacy. It is their Honey Milk Hydrating Essence. Ilia, which you can also get at Sephora, has a like milk essence that a lot of people were talking about. So I was going back and forth between the two, but I was reading the reviews and people who were like, you know, they've tried the Ilia one and it was like out of stock or something like that. So they tried this one and it was just as good. So I was like, because I really like their honey, it's a mask, their honey mask. So I'm gonna try this essence, see how this works out. I also use the Kiehl's essence, and there's nothing wrong with that one. It's just, I want to try something new. So this is what she looks like. I'm excited. Next up, this is from You to the People. It is their Kombucha and 10% AHA Power Exfoliant. Going back and forth between this and the Paula's Choice exfoliant because I know I've used that one and it's a really good exfoliant to have. But again, I just wanted like newness this time around, and I like You to the People. I used their superfood cleanser, so I was willing to give this a shot. This is what it looks like. I'm excited to try like literally all this. I will most likely be using all of this tonight, which I'm not sure if I should use all of like a whole bunch of new products at the same time. So I won't go back in, but okay, this is from Belief. It is their Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. I was considering if I wanted to get eye patches, the topicals one, but I decided to go with this just because it'll probably last longer, and I need an actual like eye cream type product. I was using the Glow Recipe one. Y'all know I love me some Glow Recipe, but again, newness, and they had really good reviews for this, and everyone was saying like it's cooling, and I need that because my under eyes are dry. Next up, Tower 28 Daily Balancing Gel Cleanser. I got this for a couple reasons. I have seen a lot of people talking about this spray, how it's supposed to be hydrating and like calming to the skin, so I was considering getting that, but I said since I haven't tried anything else from like skincare-ish from there, let me start with the gel cleanser one. The reviews raving about it. It's a gel cleanser, and I have oily skin, so I typically like to gravitate towards gel cleansers. And a lot of the reviews are talking about how calming it is and how gentle it is, and I feel like I need to go that route because I've got like a whole bunch of other actives in my shopping cart. So let me go ahead and test this out, see how it works for my oily skin, and I have high hopes for this one, so don't let me. Did y'all know you can get pimple patches at Sephora? I did not. I like Inkey. They have a really good oil remover for makeup, and another brand that is very affordable that you can get at Sephora. I did not know that they had pimple patches. So this is their invisible pimple patches. And baby, when I say I'm breaking out right now, and mind you, like I rarely get breakouts that hurts, you know, those type, but like that hurts. So I'll break this out today if I could open it. I think you can see that. That is what they look like. So I'm excited to try those out. And while we're talking about not sleeping on Sephora's collection, I had to stock up on their cotton pads. You get 50 in each, and they're only like $4. Throw it in the bag. Okay, let's move on to Bodycare. I got the Topicals Brightening and Cleansing Bar. So you get like a 2-pack, and you know how they have like the faded for the face for dark spots, stuff like that. Well, they've got bar soap. So if you use bar soap on your face, you can use it on your face, but I got it to use on my body. I be having like body acne sometimes, and also because I have sensitive skin literally everywhere, depending on some of the fragrances that I use, like I'll break out on my chest and stuff like that. I can't open it right now, but I'm going to be using this as a body soap in my shower. Okay, now y'all know I rave about the You to the People body butter. I can't remember the exact name. I have a picture pop up or something like that. And I still do. I bought as many as I bought for a reason. It is a very good body butter, but again, newness. So I've had this in my wish list for forever. This is the Isle of Paradise beautifully balanced body butter, and I've tried it on the skin. It took a little minute to blend all the way in, but I like the thickness of her. It's like a whipped, do you see that? I need you to see the texture. And it's a very like faint scent, and I like that because I don't like body butter. I've told you guys this. I don't like body butters that are like too sweet or too strong, because I don't have that perfume collection for nothing. Like I need that to be the star of the show. So it's like the right amount of scent in this one as well. And it might take a little second for it to blend in, but I like the thickness of it. It does, or at least when I tried it on my hands, it did feel really hydrated. So I'm excited to try this on my body. So I will let you guys know how I feel compared to You to the People, but I have high hopes for her. And to use in combination with the body butter, I got the body oil. So this is the beautifully balanced body oil. Do you have a scent? Let me see. I like that, the little stopper that it has in there. I think it has like the same type of faint smell as the body butter. It does, like it's a faint smell, but okay. Okay, I got the Kosas Sport Beachy Clean Chemistry AHA Serum Deodorant. Trying out certain deodorants, but again, I be trusting the reviews real bad. So, does it have a scent? Sandalwood, Jasmine, Vanilla. Okay, I'm going back and forth on deodorant, but you know, YOLO. Let's try it out. Did y'all know The Ordinary has Bodycare now at Sephora? So this is the Salicylic Acid Body Serum. Love me a body serum. And it's The Ordinary, so affordable. I am intrigued on this one. I don't know why, but I just feel like this is gonna be really good on the body. So formulated for acne prone skin. I just told y'all my body gets acne as well, so. And last but not least, y'all knew it wasn't going to be a video like this and I don't pick up any perfume. What? This is the time for you to throw perfume in the bag if you are shopping this event. This is from Glossier. This is one of the 2 new fragrances that they put out, and I told you I had to get the full size of the beigey creamish one because it just smelled so good. It was like a fiery, woodsy vanilla. See how it smells on top of that oil. The way I can already smell it, it's just, ugh. This is a fall scent. This is a grown scent, not grown like Mima though. It just smells so good. Love that for me. Okay, and the last thing that I have, y'all, finally got a full size of one of the Forever Mood fragrances. When I originally smelled all four, the yellow one, which I think is like hard to get or something like that, that is the one that I loved like off rip, right? So it was like, okay, well, why didn't you get that one full size? Everyone was talking about how this one, I Am Her, had like the one that's supposed to smell like red velvet, and I was like, where are y'all smelling red velvet? I'm not smelling that. But just like the other fragrance I was telling you guys about, like that had to grow on me, I don't know if my nose has changed, my body chemistry has changed. I tried it again and I was like, wait a minute, I like her. Oh no, let me go ahead and get her. And funny thing is, I was with my dad in store and I made him smell it and he was like, that's strong. Yeah, the strong fragrances, the ones that have that lasting power, that's what we need. So this is what the full packaging looks like, and open that up. All right, y'all, so that was it for my haul. If you are not a Sephora Beauty Insider member, I will have the information in the description down below for you to sign up. And if you did not know that the event was coming, you don't know the shopping dates, the code for you to use, let me tell you. So all Sephora collection will be 30% off from November 1st to November 11th. For Rouge members, you get 20% off from November 1st to November 11th. For VIB members, you get 15% off from November 5th to November 11th. And then for insiders, you get 10% off from the 5th to the 11th. And the code to use is savings in all caps. And yeah, y'all, everything that I talked about in this video will be listed in the description down below to make it easier for you to click, check out, shop, all that good stuff. Y'all know I always circle back around during this time, so let me know in the comments down below what you plan to pick up, if you plan to pick up anything during this event, and what I might need to circle back around and go get, or if there's any video that you guys would like to see, any product stuff like that. So let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Shout out again to Sephora for sponsoring today's video. And yeah, y'all, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.